This is my background music, cause I don't wanna get copyrighted. So I made more shit to this beat, kinda lay it low key, but join the team. Subscribe, subscribe.
So this is the hair that I'm going to be attempting to do my watercolor dye method again. This wig is from Victoria Wigs. Really cute, I never seen that. It said, because you matter. So inside it comes with some makeup sponges. I actually opened this already and took one out, but this is what the makeup sponges look like. If you order something before Black Friday, it's gonna come with this, and it comes with like a little egg. So cute. And this is the hair that I'm going to be dyeing today. This is their 613 20-inch straight wig, which I'm just now noticing that there isn't any band. But that means I'm just gonna have to sew one in, which is so sad. This is how the lace looks. Can you guys see? This is what the lace is looking like. Last time I tried this, somebody did say that I used too much water compared to like dye ratio. So I'm using this small little container. I'm gonna fill it up probably a little over half. And then I'm gonna try to ombre this starting from a really light blue. This is the 172 baby blue. And then this is the Adore 117 aquamarine. I actually dyed my hair this color back in high school, but it turned out green. So I'm gonna leave it blonde at the top, then fade into light blue, then the dark blue. Oh, snap, that's not a lot of water. Okay, I'm gonna just add some more, turn the kettle back on. Oh my god. Okay, you think that's enough? I think that's probably enough. Hold on, I'm trying to get that high. Okay, start seeing now that this is already working a lot better than the fish tank. I'm gonna add a little more. Blue, you guys, I've always wanted to dye my hair blue, like straight. Oh man, I'm getting this on the counter already. Craig. Woo, I'm kind of nervous, y'all. I'm kind of nervous. Let's do it. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo, I'm kind of nervous. Woo, I'm kind of scared. I'm scared. Whoop is in there. I don't know how high I want to go up. Well, I guess it's whatever, huh? It's not going. Get down. I see a lot of blonde still in here that has to be dyed. I think the hair has like soaked up a majority of the dye already. Yeah, soaked up majority of the dye. You see the difference in the water when I pull the hair out? Oh my god, it's so pretty. I probably don't even have to do the aqua, but I'm gonna do the darker blue up to like right here. I don't want it to really be green at the top, but that is so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Hot water in there. And then I'm gonna do the darker blue color right now. Ooh, you see that blue? Mm-hmm. Dip that like that much into it. Because I want some type of transition, you know? All right, and that's how it's looking. I see the fade, I see the fade. This is how the hair looks. You see how it goes from darker blue up to like a lighter blue, then blonde. I just hope it looks okay. This is how the hair is looking. I feel like it looks pretty good. Y'all can't really see, but I see the transition. I see the darker aqua to like, and you can really see it from this way. I mean, the lace, if you turn it this way, the lace looks really good, y'all. Like up against this head, so I think it will look good on my skin. was Gucci. So this is how the hair is looking. I know my dyeing skills are not A1 because this kind of looks trash to me personally. I am gonna go back in because I don't like how like this is looking, like that's weird to me. So I'm gonna go back in and like touch it up and stuff. Not today, but I will do it. But this is how it's looking. I'm gonna blow dry it after I lay it down. The back probably looks trash, but I will say on my hand right now how this lace is looking before even like glued down, like it looks great. I do like the little transition of the color though, like how it's like light blue to dark some places. Should I just dye this whole thing blue? I think I'm gonna just do that. I'm getting ready to lay it down and we're just gonna see how this looks. So I got my freeze spray that I'm going to be using. I look bald because I gotta put on eyelashes still. Okay, don't comfort me. But I got my blow dryer, so I'm just apply this bad boy and plug this in. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, that's cold. Joanna. Joanna. So I have laid the wig, as you can see, the best that I could. I don't know if I want to leave it like this, run a flat iron over it just a little, or actually wet it and do the little crimping thing, but I think I'm gonna wet it. I'm gonna wet it and add some of my mousse in there. This is the Aussie Moist mousse that I will be using. It's not gonna get like wavy, it's gonna look like a wet dog, huh? I forgot this is straight hair, not like curly hair. Ooh, I don't want this to mess my white shirt up, baby girl. I forgot. This right here, hold on. Okay. Super wet now. I'm gonna apply quite a lot of mousse because this hair, I want it to look, I want it to still look wet. So I'm gonna apply quite a lot of mousse. Get another thing of mousse, y'all. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, I like it, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do the whole thing just blue. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, I will leave all the information to this hair linked down below. You guys go check them out. Go get all the sales that they're giving before Black Friday. On that note, I love you guys. Bye.